Hi, my name is Andy Fox. I'm the VP of Sales for iValu8. And today I'm going to show you how to build a marketing campaign using the iValu8 platform. iValu8 is a solution that lets businesses build mobile and social media marketing campaigns quickly and easily using a simple web-based interface. And today I'm going to show you an example of building a feedback campaign with a coupon for a car rental company. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the platform. I've set up an account. So I'll log in. This is a new account. So it's going to take you to a dashboard. You can see there's no data there, but there will be as soon as the campaigns start to run. So to build the campaign, click on the campaign tab, and you can see a bunch of different options show up. A lot of these are statistics, but Campaign Builder is actually authoring to or building the campaign. So I click on the Campaign Builder, and it brings me into an authoring tool. Now you see in the authoring tool, there's a list of different campaign categories: contests, onboarding campaigns, feedback campaigns, promotion campaigns. These different categories contain templates to a variety of different campaigns. So since I want to create a feedback campaign, I'm going to click on the feedback category. And you see on the right hand side, it brings up a list of various templates of various types of campaigns. The campaign I want to use is campaign 589, which is a rate and reward type of campaign where the user has to answer 2 rating questions and then vote on an image. So I'm going to load that template. And you can see it brings the template up into a authoring interface. And on the right is basically a view of what the campaign actually would look like on a desktop or on a mobile phone. And on the left are various fields that allow me to customize the campaign. So I'm going to start customizing the campaign. So I updated the title. I'm going to update a little splash page. So I've created some image assets that allows me to personalize the look and feel of the campaign. I'm going to load a splash page here for the campaign. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some color to the background. I can actually change the color of the text that appears in the title, make that lighter. This line here indicates the various social media channels that I can authenticate through. The user can authenticate through their Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account, etc., even email. And this allows us to capture data from the customer. For this particular campaign, I'm just going to enable authentication through Facebook, Google, and email. So those are the 3 social media channels that will be connected to this campaign. Down here I can add a texting keyword which would allow the user to get access to the campaign through a simple text message command. So the keyword is available. So I'll enable that. Here's where I can enter my terms and conditions, which I'll come back and do. And then I'll save. So now I've saved the campaign, and this is what the splash page would look like again on my desktop or on my mobile phone, and these are the various social media channels that the campaign will be accessible through. Next, I'm going to fill out details of the specific pages within the campaign, and you can see that the template has actually loaded 2 pages, so there are 2 pages that the consumer would go through, 2 slides. And I'm going to customize this just like I customized the splash page. So here I'm going to update, and I'm going to select on a banner image. And the same thing over here, I'll update the banner image here. Then I can start changing some of the questions, feedback questions within the campaign. And again over here, another question I want the consumer to answer. And then finally, this field is a comment field. So now I've completed the first page of the campaign. One thing that I am going to do, you see this button up here is sort of a field lock button. And this field lock button will make the questions either optional or require the user to answer them. And all fields are initially checked as required, but on the comment field below I want to make it optional. So I'm going to uncheck that, and that will make that last field optional. The user doesn't have to enter any information if they want to proceed. So on the next page, this page, the user is actually going to vote on their favorite car that they would like to rent next time they come into the rental agency. So I'm going to set this up real quickly. And then I'm going to upload some images. I'm going to upload 3 images. And you see that image has changed. And it allows me to upload another image. And then I'm going to add one more image, so the user has 3 images to vote from. And again, another comment space. But I'll make the user answer this question, so I won't uncheck it. So now I've set up the actual campaign. And again, this is what it will actually look like on the phone or on your desktop or on your tablet. I'm going to save this. And then the next section actually, close this field here, is the reward section. So one of the things that makes iValu8 unique is that we can add a reward to every campaign that we run. In this case, I'm going to add a coupon at the end of the campaign. And to do that, I upload a coupon that I've actually pre-created, just a simple coupon. Okay. There's some text associated with this page that I'm just going to change real fast. So you see I'm entering something about being able to save your coupon. We have a capability of allowing the user to enter their email right here through this option that will actually send the coupon to their phone so they can actually reuse it if they took the campaign on their desktop. So now I'm going to save that. Then the last section is actually just some additional data and scheduling the campaign. So I'm going to give the campaign a title. It's actually going to be the same title as before. And then a little description. tags so that you can make these searchable later on as you create more and more campaigns. I can add a little short link here so that I can access the campaign by typing it into a browser. I can check to make sure that that keyword is available, and if it is, I can assign it. And then, like I said, scheduling. I want this campaign to run through the end of the year. So I select December 31st. Now it's been scheduled, and that's really it. Then I can save my campaign. So now the entire campaign has been saved, and refer to the text accompanying this video to actually see how this campaign runs on your phone. Thank you very much for listening, and let us know if you have any questions about iValu8.